If you're into tabletop role-playing games and stationery, you can definitely combine your hobbies. In this video, we'll show you the best stationery supplies to bring to your next game session. Let's get started. Field Notes 5th Edition Journals. Field Notes 5th Edition journals were specifically made for the newest version of D&D that most people are familiar with. The character journal is a must-have for players. It has plenty of pages to keep your character details organized. The inside covers are packed with information that even the most seasoned players may need refreshers on, like armor classes and modifiers. For DMs, the Game Master Journal will help you structure your notes on the campaign. And you can collect all your homebrew monsters and write down special encounters in the Monster/Encounter Journal. Kokuyo Campus Smart Ring 60 Binder Notebooks. Using a different game system, or just want to create your own character notebook? Try a Kokuyo Campus Smart Ring Binder Notebook. Because it has opening rings, you can rearrange everything inside. Print out a character sheet on one of the included B5 papers and keep it right at the front. You can add other printouts like spell lists and class tables so you always have them on hand. There are different loose leaf papers to suit your needs too. For example, jot down your character's prepared spells on Maruman to-do list sheets. In the squares on the left, note details like duration, casting time, or range. Cansay New Board Whiteboard Notebooks. Draw over maps without damaging them using the Cansay New Board Whiteboard Notebook. Just slip the printed map beneath the clear plastic sheet and you can draw on top using dry erase markers. Sketch out area of effect spells during combat, then erase the marks once the spell's duration has ended. Pair the whiteboard with Pilot Boardmaster S dry erase markers. They have precise tips, erasers on the caps, and are even refillable. Uni Alpha Gel Shaka Shaker Mechanical Pencils. We definitely recommend a mechanical pencil like the Uni Alpha Gel Shaka Shaker for your next session. It's erasable graphite makes sure that your character sheets stay neat when it's time to update HP or death saving throws. The lead extends with a quick shake, so you can keep up with your GM during lore dumps. And when you're in a tough combat encounter, a couple of squeezes on the squishy ergonomic grip might help alleviate some stress. You have to be like, I'm stressed. Or their fists on the Shaka Shaker. This pencil comes with a pretty small eraser, so we recommend getting a separate block eraser like the Kokuyo Risare. Its dust gathers into neat clumps, which makes cleanup easy. Pilot FriXion Synergy Gel Pens. Those who prefer pens or want to color code their session notes can pick up the Pilot FriXion Synergy. Its thermosensitive ink disappears when exposed to heat, so you can erase mistakes with the rubber piece on the back of the pen. You can write over the spots that you erased too. Just give the paper a few seconds to cool down. Raymay Adjustable Book Stands. Game masters and players alike will appreciate a Raymay book stand. It holds your manual or handbook open at an ergonomic angle for easy reading. Keeping your book upright also saves space on the table, a necessity when your gaming session demands plenty of snacks. Lihit Lab Bloomin Tray Pen Cases. Store your stationery and accessories in the Lihit Lab Bloomin Tray. Once unzipped, the pen case transforms into a tray, so your items can be quickly accessed. The Bloomin Tray is made of silicone, so you can roll your dice in it without worrying about damage. As an added bonus, you can use disinfecting wipes to clean it of chip crumbs or soda spills. What are your favorite stationery supplies to use during a game session? Let us know in the comments below. You can shop all of these products by clicking the link in the description or by visiting JetPens.com. Thanks for watching. 'Cause when we Shaka, we shaker, we're shocking. That's a deep cut for all my K-pop homies. When you are presented with a puzzle, use your mind, but also use your stationery. I don't know. You can set everything on fire, but does that mean you should? No, you should not. Sometimes you do an acrobatics check and you trip into something and it sets the building on fire. And that's not your fault. I mean, it's kind of your fault, but it's not your fault. Things just happen. Why are there torches around here? It's because you can't see at night. But still, extenuating circumstances. Okay, bye.